We're looking at a data set that's been collected at Pivers Island, which is the location of the Duke Marine Lab off of Beaufort, North Carolina, and the data has been collected over 10 years on a variety of different variables, everything from chemical factors of the ocean to biological, and we've been looking at making some figures and analyzing that data with the end goal of hopefully having some form of publication, like a paper of our findings.
We have been working on doing time series analysis on the data that we've collected because we are working with 10 years worth of data. I've learned a lot about what goes into creating dashboards that you see on websites all over the place. I didn't know how much went into creating those dashboards that display different visualizations and statistics. And I've also learned a lot about language processing and machine learning, which has been very interesting because will be participating in some projects in the upcoming school year that will use some of those techniques.
I only took 2 stat classes before I came on to Data Plus, and I definitely am applying what I learned at Duke, and especially with R coding, which is almost all of what we do. I'm applying a lot of that, but I have to definitely change what I've been used to based off of the data set and different challenges that I encounter. So it's familiar techniques, but I have to modify it, and that's been really fun for me. They've been collecting this over a long period of time with the hope of an end goal of seeing how conditions have been changing, especially with climate change and how that's impacting our coastline. So the end goal is definitely to publish a paper that's kind of a summary of what has been done in order to encourage that to continue in the future, and also sort of be a wake-up call with how the trends are changing. This whole process has made me more interested in looking into how data science can be applied to different fields, specifically environmental science. So I've always had an interest in climate change and how to mitigate that and looking at different trends over time, but actually being able to do that real hands-on work, not just in a classroom with an example data set, but with real data that I know where it's collected, that's been really cool to look at.
This project will probably continue into the school year because the process of getting something published takes a lot longer than just the 10 weeks that we've been working.